Are you standing?
No.
It's slippery with socks.
Slippery with socks.
Jake. Hi, little one.
Oh. That's right. Oh. Careful. Yeah, we'll go down there. Mostly on his own.
Yeah.
I'm trying not to hold on too hard. The balance thing is still working on.
Yeah. You just got strong legs. Can you smile for the camera? I wish we didn't have that spot on the lens.
Yeah.
Good job.
Not sure where we want to go with this. We're going to fall down or we want to stand up?
Hello, Tiny.
It's like he's about to say something.
Definitely.
Look out, there's a train coming behind you or something. All I can do is go, and wave his arms.